In one of the first lectures, we discussed the digitization, for example, of characters. You remember the ASCII code? This you can find here in ASCII as well. So if I say code, if you use a function code and enter a character, then the corresponding number in the ASCII table will be displayed. So you see it's 97, B is 98. If I change it to C, finds a 99, and so on and so on. However, if I look at emojis, it doesn't really work. 95 is something different. If I would like to get the Unicode instead, you remember Unicode is a much bigger table which includes these emojis as well. Then I can go for the function Unicode. Okay, Unicode. Enter again our character, and you can see ASCII and Unicode are the same if you have just the first 205 characters. However, if I go now to the emoji, you find the decimal representation in Unicode. We prefer to go for the hex representation, so what we can do is to use this function dec, decimal to hexadecimal. Enter this number. And you see the hex representation would be 1F60A. And we can check if this is true. Let's go in here and insert a symbol. We have this symbol editor. We can look, for example, for 1F60A. And you see it's exactly our smiley. If you change the number a little bit, you get different kind of smileys. Let's go for 1A. Then you see other smileys. So lots of smileys close to these numbers.